You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any video I upload in this video. And if you are subscribed and you want to stay to watch my videos, be sure to know I will be bringing you guys content on the latest tech and on cars as well, because, you know, cars, tech, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, anyway, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and of course the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's been a while. It's been a while we spoke about this phone because it's been a while that it actually came out from Samsung. But both of these phones did come out 2021 this year. So yeah, they're the most recent phone from Samsung and the most, you know, kind of phones that will really be on people's agenda to buy, because they're both for different people, both for different markets, and both present and provide and give a lot of features and stuff. But yeah, let's jump straight right into it. So first of all, the pricing on these devices. Obviously the Fold 3 is a lot more newer than the S21 Ultra, so the price on the S21 Ultra, and this price depends on the storage on the device. You could be looking up to 1,329 pounds, like I said, depending on what storage you go for. And for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, you're looking up to 1,669 pounds, depending again on the storage as well that you go for. So yeah, big difference with the prices, but I believe that the prices are set very right for what you actually get with these devices. I don't think Samsung is actually overcharged or undercharged or anything like that. I think what you pay for these devices is literally what you get, and yeah, it's absolutely awesome. Now we'll move on to the design of these devices. The one major reason why I wanted to make this video was the design perspective of this device. Obviously, we all know there's Z Fold 3 folds and closes, and this is just your normal standard phone. But yeah, it's just an amazing piece of technology. Obviously, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is made out of aluminum all the way around the outer edging of the device, obviously to protect it from when you drop it. And so with the Z Fold 3, actually aluminum body all around it, and it says I think they say it's 80% more stronger than the normal aluminum that you would find on this. So this will have more durability over this, which is a very good way to step up in the, you know, in the safety kind side of things, which is really nice. But yeah, and then the whole design of the two phones, the way Samsung has actually made it just looks so freaking nice. Like, look at the camera module. I think Samsung really went out their game with these two devices, and the color as well is absolutely awesome. And yeah, the screens on this is very different, obviously, because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a 7.8 inch screen, which is just the one that you see on the front. And then the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 actually has a 6.2 inch screen when it's closed. So the screen out there is 6.2 inch, and then when you open it up, you get a nice big 7.6 inch screen display there as well. So a lot of screen real estate there. You can do whatever you want. You can watch films. It basically just acts like a tablet, which is absolutely awesome. Then for the performance of these two bad boys, they both are obviously running the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset from Samsung, and they're both actually combined as well with the latest 12 gig of RAM as well. And also it comes with 256 gig up to 500 or 512 gig of storage, and sadly you only get the 128 gig of storage with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, not with a Fold 3. But on the good side, you get the 515 gig of storage one on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 actually comes with a 16 gig of RAM, which is just absolutely awesome. So it's going to be a lot more faster, more snappier, and much more sharper. And also it comes with 120 Hz as well, well, 120 hertz standard with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but you can turn that down to 60 hertz. But with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, it comes as standard, so it's not really 120 hertz, but it can go from 0 hertz up to 120 hertz, depending on really what you're doing on the screen. If you're reading on the screen, or even like just browsing around, or doing something on the device that doesn't really that isn't really, there isn't really a lot of motion. So for example, if you're scrolling through like your email, or scrolling through the internet, or Google or whatever, then it brings in that 120 hertz. So basically it has a adaptive refresh rate up to 120 hertz, which is just absolutely awesome. And also it's very good because Samsung actually makes this so it reflects back on your battery life that you have on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it actually saves you on battery. And it's very important that it actually saves you on battery, because the problem of this is the battery life is only 4,400 milliamp, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And both of these phones are actually wireless charging capable, and obviously reverse charging capable as well. So you can charge for example, your earbuds, or charge any other phones or anything like that. Literally, you just turn on it's basically called power sharing. Turn that on, put both phones together, obviously with a phone that has NFC enabled on, and you can literally just charge someone else's device or anything like that. Literally, you can charge anything that has a NFC on it, and it's capable enough to take juice from your device to itself, which is just absolutely awesome. And then these two phones are S Pen capable as well. And the best thing about these two devices is that each phone actually comes, well, it doesn't come with the S Pen, but you can actually buy cases from Samsung that if you do buy the S Pen separately, you can actually fit it into the case and have it all in one, which is nice. So instead of just having the phone and just having the pen like that, you can buy a case that actually has a housing for the pen, so you can just slide it in there and just carry it like it's a normal device. Same with the Z Fold 3 as well. You can do all that stuff. It's very, very nice. And also the best thing about using the S Pen with this Z Fold 3 is that Samsung has actually made the screen a lot more stronger, 80% stronger in that fact. So you can actually poke the screen and not really be frightened that you might ruin the screen or anything like that, which is very nice. And then coming to the cameras are my favorite bit on these devices. I mean, the camera on the S21 Ultra is a beast. It's a lot more beast than the Z Fold 3, but again, Samsung isn't making this device. They're not really making the Z Fold 3 for the camera speed features. They're literally making it for screen real estate, and for the folding capabilities and the features and stuff like that. So they didn't really work that massively big on the camera system, but the camera system on this is still good, still very good, takes nice pictures, and yeah, it's absolutely awesome. So 3 cameras on the Fold 3. One of them is the wide angle, the other one is ultra wide, and the telephoto lens as well. So the telephoto zooms up to 3 times, it has a 3 times optical zoom, which is pretty cool. And the bad boy, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, when they announced the camera megapixel, everyone was so excited, everyone was so gassed up. But yeah, the main camera on this is a whopping 108 megapixel, and it has ultra wide, and it has an ultra wide, wide angle, and 2 telephoto lens. One of the telephoto lens has only, I believe it's 5 times zoom, or 2 times no, 5 times zoom. And then the other telephoto lens, which is literally this one right there, the one with a box inside of the lens, that's the 10x zoom. So basically the 100 times zoom. So the lens, you can literally zoom all the way into the moon and see what's on the moon. But yeah, that's my verdict on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. They're both for different people. If you want to live the lifestyle of, of being able to have a lot of screen real estate, or you watch a lot of films or movies or anything like that, this is the bad boy here for you. Or if you want something with a good camera and just want a normal device and not really having to worry about closing or opening up a device, then the S21 Ultra is the one for you. But yeah, anyway guys, both devices, like I said, both completely for different people. You can't really compare these two together for who should buy which, because like I said, they're very complete different devices and they're for different people. But yeah, that's been your boy and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.